Good afternoon, this is Paul Reiber of Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Today we're looking at a super cool, unique, and hard to find XWAV extreme wheelchair accessible vehicle, originally manufactured and converted right here at Freedom Motors USA in Battle Creek, Michigan. Taking it back in on trade. It's got low mileage, only has 41,000 miles on this vehicle. Extreme wheelchair accessible vehicle. This was manufactured right here at Freedom Motors USA, only has 41,000 miles. Back in the day we used to have dozens and dozens of these in stock. However, they don't make them anymore, so there's a very limited supply of them left in the country. So these are hard to find. The Honda Element in general is just a really cool SUV. It's got this rugged, rubberized flooring. These chairs here fold into the side of the vehicle, which makes it really cool. So you have the flexibility of having lots of cargo room, or if you have a couple friends going along, you can fold the seats down. So just as this seat here is just folded and attached, hooked into the side, the other one is the same way. Will do the same thing. You can put both of them there. Pretty cool. Now our wheelchair accessible Honda Element here has the flexibility of the chairs both being removed, so you could either ride in your wheelchair on the passenger side here, or transfer into the driver's side, or drive from your wheelchair and just remove that chair altogether. So lots of different flexibility, lots of different options for seating arrangements. But the coolest thing is this is an automatic push button wheelchair accessible vehicle that gives you the freedom to explore the world in a really cool crossover SUV. Not just a minivan anymore. Pretty awesome. Here at Freedom Motors USA, we've been in business for over 30 years, and we specialize in wheelchair accessible vehicles like this. Over the years, we've branched off into crossovers and SUVs and cars and really cool stuff. We have Chevy Suburbans now, we have Chevy Silverados, GMC Yukons, GMC Sierras, Kia Sorentos, Kia Souls, Fiat 500s. A huge selection, hundreds of vehicles to choose from. Large inventory. I'm standing in a large warehouse with hundreds and hundreds of wheelchair accessible vehicles. You can check them all out at our website at freedommotors.com, and check out our entire inventory on our YouTube page as well. Check it out. Just one click of a button and the whole side of the vehicle. The suicide doors from the factory deploy automatically. Wheelchair ramp. How cool is that? If you're interested in a wheelchair accessible vehicle and you don't want a minivan, this is a perfect option right here. 2008 Honda Element, only 41,000 miles, XWAV, extreme wheelchair accessible vehicle. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call. It won't last you very long. It'll sell fast. We only have just this one in stock. Give us a call, 1-800-625-6335. That's 1-800-625-6335. Thanks for watching my video and have a great day.